How simple it is to use the EarlyBird Finds app. First, open the app and search for any keyword you want. For this example, let's search for iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you'd like, you can apply filters to narrow down your results. For instance, you can set a minimum or maximum price, choose the item condition, or specify the buying format, such as Buy It Now, Auction, or Best Offer. You can also sort the results by Newly Listed, Best Match, etc. However, for this demo, I'm skipping the filters and just using the keyword. Once you search, the app will instantly show you all the items currently listed on eBay that match your keyword. This saves you the hassle of searching directly on eBay. You'll see the latest results with your chosen keyword, in this case, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Next, you can save your search and set up notifications. You can choose how often you want to be notified about new items, such as every 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or hourly. This way, you'll get alerts as soon as new listings appear based on the time schedule. There's also an optional Notes box, where you can add reminders or details for yourself. For example, you could note the maximum price you're willing to pay for an item. Let's say I decide to set my limit at $1,000. I'd write, "Buy it for below $1,000" in the notes. Once everything is set, save your search. Now, you just wait for the app to find new items. And voila! Here's the notification. In this case, it found more than 2 new items, and it says something like, 2+ new items found for iPhone 16 Pro Max. Clicking on the notification takes you back to the app, where you'll see the new listings marked with a red dot. If you find something you're interested in, you click on it to view details all within the app. If you decide to buy, just tap Visit eBay, and you'll be redirected to the eBay app to complete your purchase quickly. And that's it! It's that easy to use the EarlyBird Finds app to track and snag great deals.